SIGER Data's Precision Machining Digital Intelligent Application Case. The customer's machine is the Zhuhui JHV350 horizontal boring milling center with a powered turret, processing threaded drive parts for precision equipment like injection and die casting machines, requiring high accuracy. Traditional machining often encounters the following issues: ineffective tool abnormality monitoring affecting screw nut machining accuracy, delayed multi-tool monitoring causing chain scrap from single tool failures, rough tool lifespan management, wasting resources with manual replacement timing. SIGER Data TMS tool monitoring system can achieve real-time tool status monitoring. It uses high-precision sensors and AI algorithms to capture real-time tool load signals for threaded transmission workpieces. High-precision error thresholds are set, triggering instant alarms for abnormalities and locking faulty tool positions to prevent accuracy loss and batch scrap. Data-driven tool replacement decision-making. Based on historical and real-time data, the system creates a data-driven tool list for precise tool life tracking, preventing premature or delayed replacements from relying on experience. Rapid deployment and broad compatibility. The system can be deployed and trained on-site in 2 weeks, with operators mastering it in 1 hour, and is compatible with diverse machine tools. With one hardware set, a 4-in-1 solution to monitoring collision protection, adaptive machining, thermal compensation system builds a digital line. Choose SIGER Data for cost savings, efficiency gains, and worry-free production.